Experiencing issues activating your visible wireless service? Most problems are easily fixable. Activation issues often stem from device compatibility, network configurations, or software glitches. First, confirm that your device is compatible with Visible's network. Visible is a prepaid wireless service owned by Verizon. Ensure your phone supports eSIM if you're using that method, and that it's running iOS 15.1 Plus for iPhones or a comparable Android version. For physical SIMs, double-check that the card is correctly inserted. Next, ensure your IMEI number is valid and recognized by Visible. You can find it in your phone's settings or by dialing 6. Lastly, make sure the Visible app is up to date. Try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it. This resolves many common issues, like app crashes during QR code scanning. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced fixes for visible activation issues. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. This often resolves connectivity issues during activation. Next, manually update your phone's carrier settings through the Settings menu to ensure compatibility with Visible's network. In rare cases, reset your network settings or perform a factory reset, but always back up your data first to avoid losing important information. Looking ahead, Visible is shifting towards eSIM technology, which now accounts for 65% of new signups as of 2025. This digital SIM simplifies activation without physical cards. Expect AI-integrated apps by 2026 that use predictive diagnostics to prevent up to 80% of activation issues before they occur. Verizon also plans to implement blockchain technology for enhanced security and IMEI verification, protecting against fraud and ensuring reliable activations. Remember, experts recommend starting with app restarts for 70% of fixes, escalating to support only if needed. Stay informed about app updates and new technologies to streamline your Visible activation experience.